As we celebrate International Cleaning Week, we take a moment to spotlight the unsung heroes behind the scenes at Reliable. Our distribution team, the vital link in our chain, ensuring our high-quality cleaning products reach you, wherever you are. Day in and day out, they exemplify dedication and efficiency. From meticulously managing our inventory to ensuring timely deliveries, their hard work and precision keep the wheels of Reliable turning smoothly. This week, we celebrate not just the importance of cleanliness, but the people who make it possible. To our distribution team, your commitment does not go unnoticed. You're not just distributing products, you're delivering excellence, reliability, and a cleaner tomorrow. To everyone at Reliable's distribution team, thank you. For your relentless spirit, your unwavering dedication, and for being an essential part of our journey towards a cleaner world. Happy International Cleaning Week!